Hello, I'm Jessie Gonzalez and I'm going to explain you this consonant today. This consonant doesn't exist in Spanish. The sound will be easy to pronounce if you keep the R sound steady and smooth. Like when you are asking to someone to be quiet. It sounds. The tip of the tongue is near but doesn't touch the upper gum bush. The middle of the tongue is near but doesn't touch the hard palate. The R string is continuous without interruptions. The vocal cords are not vibrating. According to the place of articulation is palatal. According to the manner of articulation is fricative. According to voicing is voiceless. I'm going to give you some examples today, but we are using this consonant. At the beginning, we have shy. I'm going to give you two examples more. Chop, shoot. In the middle, ocean, watcher. At the end, wish, Spanish. Remember, this consonant is a steady, quiet sound, like